Hello students, welcome back to your own class organized by School of Skill Malkapur. Today we are going to see exercise 8.6 question number D. So in that you see students, this is the answer of the question number D. I will explain you how the answer come. So let's see, here CP is no, we know the CP, SP we have to find out. Okay, and loss is also not given, so loss will consider as X. So what is the formula of loss percent? Loss percent is equals to loss upon CP multiply 100. So we will find out the loss with key is given loss percent. So put the value of loss percent. X is equals to 4500 multiply 100. X 00 cut X upon 45. So this 45 will multiply this 25. So we will get the value of X. So X is nothing but it is what? Loss. So loss is equals to X is equals to 1125. Okay. So therefore with the help of this loss we will find out the value of SP. Okay, so therefore SP is equals to what? Loss is equals to CP minus SP. In this way put the values in this formula and we'll get the value of SP in this way calculation. Okay, this is plus. Question number E, in that see CP is given, selling price is given, not given, loss is given and loss percent we have to find out. So we'll put the directly we'll find out the SP with the help of this general formula, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, then we'll put the values in it. Then SP is equals to this 9800. We will subtract from that, we will subtract 784. Okay, then we will get the SP, that is 916. So we get the loss now, selling price also we get. So we will find out the loss percent. What is the loss percent formula? Loss upon CP multiply 100. So loss is what? That we have to find. Loss percent we have to find. Loss is 784 upon 9800, that is CP multiply 100. 00 cut 784 upon 98. So that for 98 ones are 98, 98 8s are, that answer come 784. So therefore loss percent is 8. Okay. So next question is C. In that, okay, question number F, the answer of question number F is C. Here is the answer. So in that how we solve? See, while solving it take too much time and one video is preparing, so that's why I'm preparing like this. So question number F, in that selling price is given, loss percent is given, and we have to find out the remaining CP and loss. Okay, so loss percent is given and SP is there. So one general formula which is given in the solved example, that CP is equals to, you can see in the textbook also that directly CP formula is given when the loss percent is given. These two formulas are there. Okay, when CP is equals to when loss is present, and when what is the CP when profit is present. So these two formulas which we will use to find out this answer. Okay, so this is the formula. In that we will put the values 100 upon 100 minus 6, loss is 6%, so that's why. Okay, so there is 100 upon 94 multiply 6616. So here is 91 and 90, it is 64. Okay, so whenever the 100 is multiplied, that time you try to divide this number, it will be divided. Okay, then 64 multiply 100, their answer is 6400, which is the CP. Okay, and loss how will find out? General formula, CP minus SP. 6400 minus 6016, their answer will come 384, not 3000, sorry. Okay, so now question number 2. What is the question number 2? Let's see textbook. The cost price of an article is 8900. Find the selling price of it. It sold on 15% profit. Okay, so what is the cost price of that television? That is 8900 and profit percent is 15. And then what is the selling price? That we have to find out. So when profit percent is given and cost CP is given, so selling percent SP formula is what? That already is I shown you backside in the given. So SP is equals to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiply CPI. This is the formula which we can use. Put the values in it. 100 plus 15% upon 100 multiply 8900. Okay, so 100 plus 15, that is 115 upon 100, 002 side cut, then 115 multiply 89, and their answer come 10225. So therefore cost of selling price of the, okay, that is this, and in this way we will get the answer of that. Let's see the question number 3. The question number 3 is what? The television sold it at for rupees 29,760 and the loss of 4% incurred. Okay, so what was the CP of the television? So we have to find out the CP. So let me see that. So selling price which is given. Okay, what is the selling price? 29,760 and loss is 4%. So CP is equals to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent is equals to SP. When the SP is present and loss percent is present, so we have to use this formula. Okay, so 100 upon 100 minus 4 multiply 29,760. So 100 minus 4, that is 96. So 100 upon 96 multiplied 29,760. So here is 96 ones are 96, 310s are this answer come. Okay, after simplification you will get it. So 100 multiply 310, their answer is what? 31,000. So therefore the selling price of the television is 31,000, and in this way his cost price of that TV is what? 31,000, and he sell for 29,760 in the loss of 4%. Okay, so question number 4, now you can see that it is very much nice question, which is hot question. Sanika purchased 45 dozen of the pen for rupees 3,510. She sell 20 dozen at profit of 15% and the remaining at 10% loss. So what was the total loss or profit? Now here 4 facts are given here. First of all, we will find out the Sanika purchased 45 dozen of pen for 3,510. So what is the cost of one pen? So here is cost of 45 dozen is 3,510. Okay, so therefore cost of 1 dozen pen is what? 78 rupees. How we will find out? By dividing the value with the 45. Okay, so next is what? She sell the 20 dozen at the profit of 15%. So what is her profit? That we will calculate. So 20 CP for 20 dozen is what? 78 is the cost of 1 dozen, multiply 20, CP is what? 1,560. Okay, so selling price, put the values in it, we will find out the selling price of 20 dozen. Okay, so therefore 100 plus 15 upon 15% profit is there na? So profit, so 15 upon 100 multiply 1,560. We do the calculation, we will get the selling price for that 20 dozen is 1,794. Okay, understood? So now next is this second part we done. Now third part is what? She sell the remaining of 25 dozen for 10%. So remaining is how much? That is 25 dozen. For 10% she sell. So what is the selling price? Cost price of that? Cost price means 1 dozen 78 multiply 25 dozen is 1,950 is the CP of 25 dozen. So SP for 25 dozen is equals to what? This formula, 100 minus 10 is what? Percent, loss percent. Okay, so 100 minus loss percent upon that thing. So like that, put the values in it, you will get the, then here 90 upon 100 multiply 1,950, 0 cut, 0 cut, this 0 cut, this 0 cut, 9 upon 9 multiply 195, then answer is got 1,750. It is the selling price for the 25 dozen at the 10% loss. Then what we have to find out? The total selling price, 45 dozen. Okay, 20 plus 25. So both selling prices will add 1,744 plus 1,755 and it become 3,549. Okay, both selling prices added. Now both CP is what? This, which is already given. Okay, that given 45 dozen CP is this. Then selling price we got, cost price we know. Then we'll find out it is profit or loss, which is greater. Selling price is greater than the cost price, so it is profit. So in that her deal, third step now, profit, she having 39 rupees profit. Now fourth step, which is here, what is the question? What is her total profit or loss? So she having a profit, and what is the total profit? Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP multiply 100%. 39 upon 3,510 multiply 100. 0 cut, 39 multiply 10, that is 390 upon 315. So you simplify this, we will get this in fraction form, we will get in decimal form. So students, try to do it. See, now I have covered here only this 3, 4, 5, 6 6 examples. So I take here 10 minutes to complete 6 example, and in which hurry. So like that you try to solve, practice it more. Here 15 questions are there, so like that we have to prepare 3 videos to that one exercise and remaining also. So all the best, stay on, stay safe, and see for cycle test your syllabus I will update on the app very soon. Bye, take care.